Good morning, everyone. My name is Nkwo. I'm an accounting software consultant. I train accountants and auditors on how to use accounting software efficiently and effectively. So now, in our last class, I talked about SME software and ERP software. I told you that SME software are software that are designed to meet the needs of SMEs, and I gave you examples of those lists of accounting software that fall under the category of SME. I talk about Sage 50, QuickBooks, Zoho Books, and other accounting packages. Then I now talk about ERP. I said ERP means Enterprise Resource Planning. It's a software that is designed to meet the needs of large organizations. And I gave you a list of ERP software, which is Oracle NetSuite, Advanced Business Manager, SAP, Sage 2, Sage 500 or Sage 200 rather. Then I talk about Microsoft Dynamics 365, then other accounting package. So now I'm going to show you how to set up Sage 50, how to create a new company rather in Sage 50. So to do that, when you open Sage 50, this is what you see. So you select create a new company. Then you click on next. Then you enter the name of the company, which is, so I can say the name of my company is Charis LMC. Then the address, this is where you type in the address of your company. You can say Magodo Estate. Then the city, you type in the city where this company is located, then the country, Nigeria, and the telephone number. If you have that information, you type it. Then the business type, what type of business it is. Is it sole proprietorship business or a partnership business? You select the type of business. Then you click on next. So I use limited liability company. Click on next. So if your company have website or email address, you type it in all this box. Then click on next. Now what you are seeing is that it says select a method to create your company. Use a sample business type that closely matches your company. So what it means is that when you click on next, when you select use a sample business type, Sage 50 will assign chart of accounts for any business that you select. If it's a non-profit making organization, Sage 50 will create a chart of accounts for non-profit making organization. Or if you select a distribution company, to create a chart of account for distribution company or manufacturing company. So that's what it means. So you can actually use a sample business type. Then the next one is what copy settings from an existing Sage 50 accounting software. So instead of you starting up a new company, you can actually copy the setup from an existing company you have created already. So that's what it means. Then the next one is what convert a company from another accounting program. So what it means is that you can actually if you are bringing your company data like your customers, vendors, other kinds of your inventories from a different accounting software, e.g. QuickBooks, you can actually bring it, you can import it, or you can convert that company file into Sage 50. You can bring those data in Sage 50. That's what it means. So build your own chart of accounts. What it means is that you can actually design your own chart of accounts. If you don't want Sage 50 to design a chart of account for you, you can design your own chart of accounts that suits your business needs. Because when you select use a sample business type, Sage 50 will design a chart of account for it's called default chart of accounts. It comes when you are setting up a new company. So if you don't want Sage 50 to design a chart of account for you, you can select build your own company chart of accounts. So the next one is what consolidates existing Sage 50 accounting companies rather. So what it means that you can actually combine your financial information from two or more company files into one report. That's what it means. You can combine your financial information from two or more company file into one report. So I don't want to click on consolidate. I will click on use sample business type that closely matches my company. Then I'll select next. Then what do you see when you click on next? It says select a business type. Look at it. Simplified type, detailed type. So my business is a manufacturing company. So now, if you look at it, there's manufacturing company here under simplified type. And also in detailed type, there's also manufacturing company. So now you will not be the one to select the one that's suitable for you. So the one that is suitable, I use detailed type because when I select detailed type, it will bring out what 5 digits account, 5 digit code. You can call it code or account number. So there's a difference between account number. There was someone that asked me that question now last class. I said there's a difference between account number and bank account number. Account number is a number that is assigned to a specific account, while bank account number is a number that is what assigned to a specific bank. So when you are setting up your chart of account, it's called use a number, account number. It's also called a code. So it comes with a code or a number. I call it code or number. Now, if you select manufacturing company, if you look at it, look at my chart of account. How many digits is here? This is just 4 digits number. 1010. That is 4 digits. Now, using detailed type is that you can actually be using that number, you can create more accounts. So I prefer using what detailed type. If you look at this is simplified type and the other one is what detailed type. So I'll scroll down and look for where there is manufacturing. My company is into manufacturing. So I'll select manufacturing company. Scroll down, we select manufacturing company. Then I'll click on next. Now what is it saying when you click on next? It says choose an accounting method that defines your income and expenses in your book. So I'll leave it in accrual basis. Now read time. Do you know what read time means? Now read time means that every transaction you enter, like sales or expenses, it is immediately what's recorded in the account as soon as you save it. That's what read time means. Why batch is that transaction are saved first but not posted to the account immediately. It will save but it's not posted to the account immediately. That's what batch means. So it's preferable that you use what read time posting. Then I'll click on next. It says 12 months. Choose an accounting period. 12 months. Then choose the fiscal period of your financial year. So I'll leave it in January. This is from January. So all our transactions I'll be posting will be from January. Then you click on finish. So when you click on finish, it will automatically create your company file for you. So this is how you set up a new company using Sage 50. So it's still creating my company data. So if you observe, look at the name of my company at the topmost bar. This is Charis Limited. So all these things that will be coming up are windows. It comes whenever you create a new company. So click on close. I don't want to see it. Another one come up, you close it again. So this is, if you look at it, it has created a company file for me, Charis LMC. So in our next class, I will show you how to set up your inventories, your chart of accounts, customers and vendor. Then I'll show you how to post transaction using Sage 50. Thank you very much. You can